Rodrigo has a very large sheet of graph paper. First, he draws a line segment connecting 0,4 to 0.20 and colors the four cells whose interiors intersect the segment as shown below. Next, Rodrigo draws a line segment connecting point 2000, 3000 to point 5000, 8000. How many cells will he color this time? Okay, so what's helpful here is noting the slope. So let's just find the slope here. So slope of these two line segments is really just going to be, you go up 5,000 over 3,000. That's a slope of 5 over 3. So looking at, if we say we just go from 0, 0 and have a slope of 5 over 3. So go up 5 over 3. And let's say we connect these line segments. What are all the squares that we're shading? So we're shading this one, this one, this one. So we shaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and it's going to be true that this is kind of like one iteration every time you go up 5 over 3. So it's really just a question of how many iterations are we doing from 2000, 3000 to 5000, 8000. And the answer to that is, so if we look at for example, the x coordinate, that x coordinate is traveling a total of 3000 units over. And every iteration is going to be every 3 units. So therefore, the number of iterations is going to be this 3000, the total different distance it's traveling over this 3 units, which is 1,000. So there are going to be 1,000 iterations of every time we go over 3, up 5. And in each iteration, 7 squares are going to be colored. So therefore, it makes sense to say the total number of cells that he'll color this time are going to be the 7 squares, number that you color in each iteration, times the number of iterations of that slope, which is 7,000. So answer is choice C.